Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today I'm going to be doing this green and gold St. Patrick's Day cut crease makeup look. To start this look, I taped off the edges of the eyes. Using the Warrior 3 palette from Juvia's Place, I'm going to be using the green color. And using an angled brush to create the cut crease shape. Next, to blend out that color, I'm going to be using the Morphe Picasso palette for the lighter green shade and put that above where I put the green before. Next, I'm cleaning off the place where I want the cut crease to go. And now I'm filling in the cut crease area with concealer. Then, using the same darker green shade, I'm going to be creating an eyeliner type shape with the eyeshadow. Not fully connecting it to the upper cut crease area. And I'm leaving the inner edges blank for the moment. Then, using the Juvia's Place Warrior palette, I'm going to be using the bright gold shade. I'm putting that in the inner corners for the liner. Using the green again, I'm going to do the underline. And putting gold in the inner corners again. Then with a fluffier brush, I'm putting gold in the inner corners of the lid as well. For the lashes, I'm using the Neutrogena Healthy Lengths mascara, and I'll be topping this with false lashes later on. I wanted this to be more of a bold look, so I decided to do a red lip. Here I am lining the lips. To fill in the lips, I'm using the Jeffree Star Unicorn Blood lipstick. And that completes this green and gold St. Patrick's Day cut crease makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.